Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sennheiser Momentum wireless Bluetooth earbuds, anything with the model number series MSPORT1, MSPORT1, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth, if they're not syncing with your device, if they keep disconnecting, if you're only getting sound out of one ear, usually the left ear, and you've tried a soft reset and it didn't fix the issue, the next step is to do this hard reset. You'll need to set everything up again because everything will be wiped off of it. And that's the second reason you might want to do it. If you just want to set these up on a new device or whatever, you just want to get a fresh start, like you're just taking them out of the box new, we can go ahead and do this really simply. All we need to do is we're going to just put one of our earbuds in the case and take one of them out and close the lid. But before we do any of that, we want to just delete them off of whatever devices we've had them paired with in the past and turn Bluetooth off, because this will not work if Bluetooth is on, if it's trying to pair or connect. So once we've got all the Bluetooth off, we're going to have one earbud in the case, one earbud out of the case, close the case. And then on the earbud that's not in the case, you're just going to press and touch and hold the button, touch button on the back of the earbud for 15 seconds. Until the light on the earbud will blink red and green alternatively, showing that earbud has been reset and is in pairing mode. Then you're going to open the case, take the other earbud out, and do the same thing. Press and hold, and keeping them close together the whole time. They shouldn't be more than about a foot or 30 centimeters apart. Press and hold the button on the other one for about 15 seconds until that one starts to blink red and green as well. They've both been reset. They should now pair with each other, and then you can go ahead and set these up as a new set of earbuds.